Alright guys, I'm heading over to Discount Tire. I got my buddy Ryan following me in his F-150 that's got my Mickey Thompsons in it and the Welds in it. I'm pretty excited to get these on. We decided we're gonna let Discount Tire mount them because I do gotta get a couple of logs for Adam before the track. And then we're gonna take them off, roll to the track, I think on my stock wheel, or not stock, my 20s, and then we'll end up putting them on there. That's kind of like the plan we have in our head. We might keep them on the car. I don't know. We'll see, you know, how it all goes. I'm excited, guys. I think it's gonna be a good day. We're going to a shootout. I know I didn't mention this. It's $150 buy-in. If we win the whole thing, the pot is $7,500. We are racing in the 7.5 class, which is pretty exciting. So we'll see what we do. The Explorer runs 7.5s on the street without the Mickey Thompsons and stuff. And before I put the downpipes on, now we got some downpipes and we're on straight E85. I've not gotten any draggy pools or anything like that. I kind of want to see what the track times are. But we should be right around those numbers. If anything, I'm thinking I'm going to have to let off slightly at the end. Now the trick is, I normally do trans brake launching at the track. This event says no trans brake, so it's foot brakes only. So I'm not gonna be able to use my trans brake on the track, which kind of sucks, but I think we'll do really, really well on the foot brake, especially with the Mickey Thompsons. We shouldn't spin, we should be able to still shit and get, and I think 7.5s are easy for the Explorer with the setup we have, with the new fuel setup and all that. So out here with Ryan. What are we doing today, Ryan?
We're getting special air.
Special air?
Yeah.
The nitrogen air that makes it last longer in your tires?
That's the competitive edge. What we're here for.
Oh dude, this is
No
exciting.
other reason for that.
They're gonna replace the air with nitrogen. It's gonna make the wheels even lighter. We got the back of the Explorer lifted up. I guess that's the way they're doing it. They didn't really feel comfortable jacking it up with the carbon side skirts, which I appreciate them doing. You know, most shops would probably just say fuck it and do it that way. So, do it this way. I don't think it's gonna fit a jack under there. Fucking beautiful, dude. I'm gonna slip up in here. I say, guys, we're not saying goodbye to these tires and wheels. These are just gonna be track setup. Go ahead, buddy. You don't mind being on YouTube? Check out all the fin fab beauties, dude. Billet vertical arms, fin fab toe arms. It's gonna bring us to the victory lap, dude. I think we stand a solid chance. If anything, we're just gonna go out and have some fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some good fun, man. That's what matters. And just pray that we don't break nothing. Even if I lose and don't break anything, I'll be happy.
Yes. That would be a success.
Yeah, but if I have to lose because I break something, I'm gonna be a little upset. That'd be more upsetting. But that's racing.
Right.
Gonna balance them real quick. Guys, they look tough. I can't wait to show y'all what they look like on here. I'm excited because I'm not even sure what they're gonna look like on here. But I think it's gonna look like a track weapon. Look at that, dude. Man. First off, shout out to my wife because these Welds were Father's Day gifts. So this is an early Father's Day gift. Got Ryan coming back over here. They're putting my old wheels and tires in the back of his truck. We're gonna catch some rollers. See how that goes. Excited, dude.
You got $5?
$5, yeah. Why?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, do you need it right now? What's up? He's not homeless. Maybe a little bit. We'll trim up the beard. That's gonna be tough. There we go. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh dear God, dude. That's insane. Hopefully oh, it worked. Yeah. Fuck, dude. Oh, God damn.
That's so cool. It's so weird too. Look at how it's exploring.
That's what I'm saying. It's weird, but it's awesome. It's fucking gnarly.
We got the one there.
Yeah. That's nuts, dude. First explorer in the world on Weld, bro. It looks cool. Yeah.
It doesn't look wrong either.
No. The chrome's pretty insane, dude. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you, bro. Nah, I'm good. I appreciate it, brother. Tell it already. Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh.
The chrome, I kind of like it, dude.
No, it's perfect. It's good.
It looks like it sits lower, too. Probably a little bit because these tires are a little smaller.
Yeah.
Dude. That's fucking tough. We'll do it at the track, but at least it marks on there.
That's how, yeah. The tire shank up.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Slide in the night, yeah, them boys on a mission. Bad mama sita, dímelo, and I listen. Took a little tab in it, whoo, it hit different. We like doing what we want, cause we different. Slide in the night, yeah, them boys on a mission. Bad mama sita, dímelo, and I listen. Took a little tab in it, whoo, it hit different. We like doing what we.
All right, guys, so we ended up not being able to race, which is why there's no videos of the racing. They said that we were a mid-size SUV and couldn't race, although there was single cab trucks there that were considered full-size trucks. So I didn't understand the requirements. They still let me in, they let me tech in and all that, and then we teched in. And then after the fact that we were all teched in and stuff, they said that they wouldn't allow me to race. They did give me a refund, which was nice, but still it was annoying, it sucked. But we went and got the rollers. And shout out to my buddy Ryan and McKees for getting those rollers hanging out their truck window just to get some content for y'all, which was much, much appreciated. And anybody dealing with Hurricane Beryl in Houston, my heart goes out to y'all. We're dealing with it personally as well. We just got a lot of wind off of it and no power. You know, like as you notice, this isn't my house. We're actually at my sister's house over in Spring. You know, she was nice enough to come let us crash over here for the past couple days because she's got power. So, it's been a crazy week, but thank you for everybody for putting up with my stuff and just being patient with me as I ship orders. I'm literally going to the local Starbucks up the road just to get Wi-Fi to process orders and then going back to my house to package them and send them. You know, it's been this whole process, guys. So just please bear with me, be patient. Hopefully we'll have power here in the next day or two is what they're suspecting. Worst case scenario will be the 16th, which I think is in 3 days. So we'll see, guys. Anyway, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and until the next one.